I have spent some time with the FIFINE M9 dual lav system, 2 mics, a charging case, compatibility with phone, PC, basically camera, and they are all sounds good on a paper. But after using it for a while for interviews, podcasts, for my own content and even outdoor stuff, I have some kind of mixed feelings about it. So it works, but it doesn't make you say wow. Let me show you what I mean. If you ask me what I think, that is basically my simple thoughts. It is good for the price, where the portability is matter, but you should not expect the broadcast basically quality and clarity from it. That's the trade-off. First off, it is the features that will be delivered to us. Dual lav transmitter, a receiver with a mono and a stereo switching, 3 adapters cables, Type-C, 3.5mm and etc. A charging case that double as a power bank. The wireless range is decent, basically when the transmitter can see the receiver up to 50 meters. And for the battery, the transmitter can work up to 6 hours, but even the receiver can work more. A very flexible setup where you're always moving around and you just want to do type of vlog content. It's basically very compact. You can just hold it in your hand or even clip it on your shirt, and also with the case it makes it really good for traveling, and basically you can walk around without being theatered by a wire. I think for the mobile creators that part is solid. Now here is where my heart sinks a little, because the sounds is good but it doesn't really impress. Voices sometimes sound muffled, or even the highs can sometimes feel harsh or thin. It's like that richness and warmth in the voice when you get with the pricier mic out there. For the overall build and quality, they are solid, they do the job, but the material is really lightweight, and I understand some of these trade-off because of the price point. If it was around 150-ish, I would be less forgiving with that. But for the price, I would say the build quality of the case and the mic itself, it's quite nice. My favorite part is just the dead cat on the top. I will show you how it works. It basically get insert in and then locked up. If I twist and then take out, you can see the mic. But when I put the dead cat back on and then twisting it, it's lock in place. I really like that feature. Overall, for the voice quality, you basically could hear the difference between this mic that I'm using and the first mic that I was been using in the first of the video. I was expecting a bit more from FIFINE. Why? Because I already have one of the live stream mics over there. For the price, to be honest, that mic, it has a really nice voice into it, and the warmth it's getting to your voice. You can check out my other videos that I recorded with that mic and you can see the difference. I was expecting a bit more from FIFINE. I think it's the first generation of the lav mic that they're doing, and it is acceptable for the price and everything. If you are on a budget for this mic, I think with spending a couple of bucks more, you could get to Mauno's lav mic, or even some of the Holyland's base level mic for the entry. They have a better voice than this because I tried them and I have a review in this channel. If you are on a tight budget, this might do the job for you, and you basically upgrade in a long term. If you're thinking about that, that could be an option. But if you just want to go for something higher end for your live stream and everything, and it can be used basically for all of your work, and I don't think this mic will do the job for you. And let me know down in the comments below, what mic do you want the FIFINE be compared to, because I'm really curious to see your thoughts. And until the next video, keep your tech in check. Adios.